The first pylon in a long line stretching from the East Kent coast to Canterbury has been erected today as part of a controversial project by the National Grid. The Richborough connection is a high-voltage electricity link between Belgium and Kent, providing an extra 1,000 megawatts of electricity for the southeast. Despite objections from environmental groups and farmers, a total of 60 new pylons will be erected through the Kent countryside. It's the first major new power line to be built in Kent since 1961. This one will be 12 miles long, and the project's set to cost £200 million and is due to be finished by 2019. Leanne Rinney has our report.
Slowly and carefully connecting Kent to the continent. It's one of the largest and most ambitious energy projects the country has seen in decades. And today, after years of planning, the first pylon was complete.
The link to the continent allows the electricity to flow in both directions, so securing not only the electricity supplies for the local area, but also for the rest of the country, for now and for future generations.
As the coal generation comes to an end, this project aims to safeguard the country's energy supplies. The new pylons will carry overhead cables for around 12 miles from Canterbury to Richborough, linking up to a power supply that runs under the channel. The tallest pylons will be 50 metres high, the equivalent of 12 double-decker buses.
Each one of these pylons is created using 5,000 pieces of steel, connected together using no less than 66 bags of bolts. There'll be 60 of them in total, stretching from here to Richborough, creating a new line that will connect us to the continent.
But environmental groups and many residents across East Kent who will be affected by the new line of pylons say the impact on the countryside will be devastating.
Wide open spaces around Thanet and the eastern portions of Canterbury are going to be very badly affected. There are pylons there already, of course, but this pylon line is going to be significantly bigger.
And many farmers are concerned about the disruption this major project will cause.
There will be impact of site offices and the installation of the actual pylons themselves. And as we know, this spring has been particularly difficult for farmers and landowners in getting crops into the ground.
The National Grid say they will continue to work closely with local communities as the project progresses over the next few years. Leanne Rinney, BBC South East Today, Canterbury.
Okay, it's nearly 6:45 on